Hey, how you guys doing? I was in Alabama and we get this sweet potato from my friend. It was sprouting, so I came home and I put it in water. So this is gonna be our next project. We're gonna sit and watch this, okay? So I'm about to plant this right now. Right now the soil is it's a little kind of dry, so I'm gonna kind of moisten it up with some water. Just some water tonight and turn it. And believe it or not, the water didn't go all the way down. So after I put this in, I'm still gonna need some more water. See? So this is putting it in with the sprouts up. And I'm gonna cover around it. I'm not gonna cover the sprouts. And after I do that, I'm going to put it where it's supposed to go, then put some more water on there. So watch what's going on. Alright, I got it where it's supposed to be at, or where I want it to be. And I'm going to put some water around it. After I'm done, the sprout, I'm going to make sure the sprout is not covered. Okay? What you have to remember, it's a makeshift greenhouse. It's the basement, winter time, so I have to have something under there so the water don't leak on the floor. And we're gonna watch this and see what's going on. Okay, remember this is December. Look at it, looking up trees, they're coming along good. The pineapple tree, look how much it's grown. Look, it's getting there. It's getting there. So, June plums tree still hanging in there with the June plums on it. Alright, I'm getting a lot of sprout on the pimento tree. So this is our next project. We're gonna keep what eye on and watch it. I'll give you guys an update on it, okay? Alright, again, thanks for watching, and I'll give you an update next time.